I'm gonna sing is by Maroon 5 and it's called Payphone. So if anybody knows the song, please feel free to sing along with me.